The Xcel Energy 9811 transmission line project is a groundbreaking initiative aimed at enhancing the reliability and efficiency of the power grid near the town of Poncha Springs, Colorado. Originally built in the 1950s, the existing wooden pole H-frame lines are being rebuilt to modern standards. This project focused on updating aging infrastructure through the mountain region in the San Luis Valley of Colorado. The project involved the rebuilding of the 72-mile transmission line 9811, which runs from the Poncha Springs substation to the San Luis Valley substation. Crux's scope was to install 24 micropile foundations for 24 structures that were replaced adjacent to the highway. Crux demonstrated its expertise by successfully drilling in loose soil conditions and strategically utilizing both Type A and Type B micropiles to ensure stability and durability at these sites. This foundation upgrade was crucial for maintaining the existing capacity and ensuring the longevity of Xcel's power infrastructure in a harsh environment. Crux's ability to make real-time decisions and interchange micropile types highlights our commitment to delivering robust and adaptable solutions. The project faced challenges such as sites high above the highway and working around national forest and BLM lands. Additionally, the project involved drilling at high elevations, necessitating the use of helicopters to transport equipment. Traffic control measures were implemented to monitor highway traffic in the valley where Crux was working. Despite these obstacles, our team successfully accessed these areas, demonstrating our ability to overcome difficulties with careful planning and execution. Crux successfully managed Xcel's power line outages with 0 safety incidents occurring on the project. The enhanced transmission lines will facilitate the integration of more renewable energy sources in the San Luis Valley. Together, Crux and Xcel Energy are powering a brighter, cleaner future for communities like Poncha Springs and the surrounding areas in the region.